Your Subaru XV II navigation system uses maps that can quickly become outdated due to road changes, new developments, and traffic updates. Keeping your maps current ensures you get accurate directions, helps you avoid wrong turns, and improves overall safety while driving. Since official Subaru support for XV2 models ended around 2024 to 2025, this video will guide you through third-party options to update your maps. The Subaru XV2 uses a standalone navigation system that operates independently from your smartphone. Map data is stored on an SD card, which needs to be updated manually. The system relies on GPS for location tracking and sometimes uses Bluetooth to receive real-time traffic information. Updates are crucial because Subaru ended official support for this platform around 2024-2025. As a result, no more official updates are available for the XV2 navigation system. Subaru has shifted its focus to newer models like the XV3, released in 2023, which feature advanced cloud-based infotainment systems with over-the-air updates. This means official map updates for your XV2 are no longer being produced or supported, leaving owners to seek alternative solutions. Since official Subaru updates are unavailable, third-party resellers on platforms like Amazon or eBay offer SD cards with updated map data. These SD cards contain the map data you need. Ensure compatibility with your XV2's StarTech system. Be cautious, as unofficial updates can pose security and legal risks, potentially voiding warranties. First, back up your current SD card data to avoid losing any existing navigation information. Connect the SD card to your computer using a card reader and copy all files to a safe location. Next, power off your vehicle, locate the SD card slot in the navigation system, and carefully insert the new third-party map update card. Ensure it's properly seated. Finally, start your Subaru and let the navigation system detect the new card. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. The installation typically lasts 30 to 60 minutes, so plan accordingly. Important reminder, before buying any third-party map update, confirm it's compatible with your specific Subaru XV2 year and navigation system to avoid problems. Third-party navigation updates for the Subaru XV2 often come from unofficial sources and may include incorrect or outdated road data. This can lead to wrong directions, especially for new developments or road changes since the last official update. Unofficial updates pose a significant security risk, including malware infections or corrupted files that can damage your vehicle's navigation system. Cybersecurity experts have reported cases where hacked map updates introduced viruses, potentially compromising your car's electronics and voiding warranties. Compatibility is a major concern with third-party maps for the Subaru XV2. Updates designed for one model year like 2017 often fail to work on later models such as 2023 due to hardware and software differences in the StarTech's navigation system. This can result in installation failures or system crashes. To minimize risks, thoroughly research third-party sellers and check user reviews on forums like Subaru communities or automotive sites. Look for verified compatibility with your specific XV2 model year and read about others' experiences to avoid scams, warranty voids, or legal issues related to unauthorized modifications. Given the challenges of updating the built-in navigation in your Subaru XV2, consider using smartphone integration via USB as a practical alternative. Apps like Google Maps or Waze provide up-to-date maps, real-time traffic data, and voice-guided navigation that keeps you informed on the go. This solution is often more reliable and cost-effective compared to dealing with outdated factory maps or third-party updates. As automotive navigation evolves towards over-the-air updates and cloud-based systems, the Subaru XV2's standalone SD card system becomes increasingly outdated. Newer vehicles offer seamless updates without physical media, but for XV2 owners, official support has ended. Consider aftermarket head units for modern features, like larger screens and better connectivity, or use smartphone mirroring through Android Auto or Apple CarPlay for basic navigation needs. Keep safety in mind by keeping your maps updated, even if through unofficial channels or third-party options. Outdated maps can lead to wrong directions and increase accident risks.